The DJI integration of IDRONECT is a very interesting functionality in the IDRONECT OS platform. It is very similar to other log analyzing tools available on the internet. You can find your DJI logs right here in the menu under Logbooks. And when we arrive at this page, we can see that the account of Chris is linked to this IDRONECT OS account. You have the option to add as many accounts as you wish, and when clicking the last icon, you get an overview of all your DJI logs. Most of the time, this will of course be a lot more than 3 logs. There are 2 options for your DJI logs. The first one is to view our log by clicking on the eye icon. This opens the flight tracker's details tab over the map. And if we just zoom in a little bit, we can see the flight path of the drone as well. You will see that at the bottom of the screen there is a play and stop bar to replay your flight. And on the map you will see that the drone starts moving, and in the left corner of the map you will also see that the detailed flight information will start playing for every millisecond of the drone flight. You get the flight time, the flight mode, the altitude, the speed, the distance, the coordinates, satellites, and the battery status. Now, if we go back to the flight's overview, we can see that there is information that there's another button as well, Create Flight. With this button, you can link this DJI log to an action from a project and unlock the flight in your actual IDRONECT OS logbook. All the information that you can see here will be saved in the IDRONECT OS logbook as well. First, you get an overview of the start and stop details of this flight log. Then we can go to linking, where we can select the project and the action that this is linked to. And further, we select the flight details like drone, pilot, observers, trackers, and equipment. Your flight is now logged in your logbook, and you can still add some remarks, see the tracker information, the tracker data, and the breaches.